thunderstorm warning for southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hinckley, or 10 miles north of Plano, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Brookdale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, and Batavia. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 139. Interstate 290 between mile markers 4 and 15. Interstate 355 between mile markers 18 and 30. This includes Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Aurora University, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Kane County Cougars Ballpark, Morton Arboretum, Walton C Community College, Wheaton College, Central College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. This is no